Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you about SSAT math section, and today we're going to learn about decimal. Decimals is probably very common of you guys in high school or in like over elementary level, but you must know what's the part of a decimal code. And remember, decimal is just another way of writing the fraction. So to transform from a fraction to a decimal, you just take the bottom number and divide with the top number and you get the decimal. Let's not focus about that, and today we're gonna learn about what is decimal and adding, how to add, subtract, divide, and multiplying decimal. In decimals, in SSAT, decimals are often, the max level of decimal is 5 number. So that is the first one. We look at the bigger one, the biggest one. Biggest one is tens. Tens or even higher, hundreds, thousands. But for example, we just take tens. This is the biggest. 2. The letter 2 behind the number 6 creates 62, but 2 is the units. Units, or we can call it ones. And then behind the decimal point, we have 3. The 3 right here is 10. Letter 9 behind 3 is 100. Hundredth. Remember, the difference from different from hundredth to hundred is the letter TH at the behind. Must focus on the letter TH. And this one is thousand. Not thousand, but it's thousand. The letter TH will mark that is behind the decimal point. The max of the number of behind the decimal point we learned in SSAT is 3 numbers: the tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. So we learn 5 positions. First we have the units, the tens, the units, or we call ones, the thousands, decimal point or the point, and behind the decimal point is tenths, hundredths, and thousands. Let's move on to adding and subtracting decimals after we understand about decimal. Adding, pretty easy. Just do the same with the whole number. We have 12.321 plus 2.321. Do not write 2 and do not write like this way. 12.321 plus 2.321. This is actually wrong because the tenth, we have no tenths, so actually there's 0 right here. The units to the unit, decimal point to decimal point. The tenth to tenth, hundred to hundred, and thousand to thousand. Do not write like this way, this is wrong. And then just add them as we usually do. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 0, 4, and 1 plus 0, 1. This is 14.642. And the same with subtracting, just do the same thing. 12.321 minus 2.321. 1 minus 1 equals 0, 2 minus 2 equals 0, 3 minus 3 equals 0, 2 minus 2 equals 0, 1 minus 0 equals 1, so there's 10, or we can just write 10 because this is equal to 10, because behind it 0, 0, we don't have to write the same with 3, 0. But just remember, you have to put them in together. 10 to tens, unit to unit, tens to tens, hundredths to hundredths, thousandths to thousandths. Let's move on how to multiply and divide decimal. So let's move on to multiplying and dividing decimal. Multiplying, just do the same as you usually do inside whole number with whole number. Just do the same thing. For example, 12.321 times 2.321. Let's take 1 times 1, 1 times 2, 3, 2, 1, 2 times 2, 4, 3, 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 1 is 2. And then 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 1 is 2, just the same thing as this, 4, 2. And then add them together, 1, 2 plus 2, 4, 3 plus 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 3 is 10, right, 0 is 1, 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 2 is 14, plus 2 is 16, remember 1, 17, right, 7, remember 1, 4 times 4 is 8, 8 times 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 9, 18, remember 1, 19, 6 plus 6, 12, plus 2, 14, remember 1, 15, 4 plus 3, 7, remember 1, 8, and then 2. So calculate how many numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 number, and calculate how many numbers are behind the decimal point. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 number. Remember, calculate 2 numbers. Behind decimal point of 12, behind decimal point of 2. So there's 6 number. Count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 28.5970141. That is the answers. And for dividing, pretty common too. But you must know one rule. Let's take just 12.5, or actually 0.25 might be the best number, and then multiply by 12.5. Take that, and in dividing, we do not want the decimal point, so we have to eliminate our decimal point. This will be 25. Because we move decimal point to this one, there's 1, 2 step. So we must move at this one too. 1, 2. 1, 2 is equal to 125. Then divide them together. Actually, let's do a better one. This is a little bit too big. let's take 12.5 divided by 0.25 and then do the same thing. This becomes 25. This becomes 150. 12 divided by 25, no. We cannot divide, so we take 125 divided by 25, that is equal to 5. 500. This is equal to 50. That is how we solve the dividing decimal. Just eliminate the decimal point and then we'll get the answer. This is the end of my video. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.